So one of the cornerstones of being a successful host is your cleaning. I think we've all seen the good reviews, the bad reviews, and a lot of us take it really personally, even if we don't do the cleaning on our own, because we think our property is always clean. There are some ways that you can incentivize your cleaners to help you get more 5-star cleaning reviews. And one of the things that I want you to understand with cleaners, they're either charging you by the job, where they've estimated their hours and their costs, or they're charging you by the hour. Either way, they really have no incentivization to do a great job unless they just like you and they're just trying to keep their job with you, keep your house in their portfolio. Now, if you go in and you incentivize them and they get on board with this and you actually pay them quickly, then you're gonna get better cleans. And I've seen this firsthand. I recommend this to everybody that I talk to, everybody that I consult with, everybody that I discuss short-term rentals with, because I think it's such a pivotal point. At my beach house down in Gulf Shores, Alabama, I had to turn over cleaners about 4 or 5 months ago, and I've had 17 5-star reviews in a row because I implemented my 5-star review bonus program to where I have 2 cleaners. It's a 2,680 square foot house, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and sand's a big issue. And it takes about 2.5 to 3.5 hours to clean the house appropriately. Thank God we don't have much carpet in the house. But those cleaners, outside of paying $300 for the clean to the cleaning company, I actually bonus $25 each to each of those cleaners. Now they make $25 an hour from the cleaner. So I'm paying $50 an hour. So literally they're giving me between $150 to $175, $200 worth of clean, and then the cleaning company is making another $100 to $125 per clean profit. And I'm 100% good with that as long as I get 5-star reviews. But since I bonus them each $25 per clean, that's $50 for both of them, $25 each, they're making an extra $100 a month. That may not sound like a lot to those of us that are hosts, that are buying $200,000, $500,000, $1 million properties to add to our portfolio, but it's a lot to somebody that's making $25 an hour. The other thing is I do bonus, I give them each a $150 bonus during Christmas, and when they do like an exceptional job when I come in and me and my family stay at one of our properties, I always bring cash, and I'm a guy that never carries cash. I'm credit card everywhere, and I bring cash so I can leave them a cash bonus in an envelope and a nice thank you letter. So if we start a relationship with our cleaners, if we incentivize them for 5-star cleans, and we take care of them when we stay at our properties personally, that's how you're gonna get better cleans and get more 5-star reviews. If this has been valuable for you, just hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot more coming down the pipe for you, and I wanna help you maximize your short-term rental profits.